Hey guys, look at what we're working on today. It's my truck's twin. Actually, mine is a 2015. That one's a 2013, something like that. Sierra SLT, same model, same thing, same everything. There's only one problem. Look at that. So on these doors, there's a, I can't get too close, but they're prone to that little pin coming out because it's metal inside of plastic. So we're gonna replace it today. So I was gonna make a quick video. So if you have the same truck or something similar, then you can do it too. So basically on these trucks you have these little pins here, and you just pop that open. Then the next one is right here. Then the third one is behind the door here. And then of course you go ahead and pull the trim from around the side. I normally start in the corner down here, and I work my way up this way, then I'll work my way over that way. But for right now, we're just gonna pop this cover off and this cover and take that off. Whoa, and take that off and go from there. All right, so to get these off, I'll flip this over so you can see the back. The tabs are on the side. I started at the bottom, and I got my flathead screwdriver right in that little clip there, and I popped it up like that. Same thing on this one here. So once you do that, those will come right out. You just pry them from the bottom, and that makes your whole world a lot easier. And use a flathead screwdriver, or if you got pry tools, go ahead and use your pry tools. The bolts we have in here are 10 millimeters, so oh, what did you have? 3/8. Oh, no, they're 10. Most DMCs, they're usually 10 millimeter. Yep. So now you just, take a 10 millimeter socket and you take off those 3 rat bolts right there. You just crack it loose, and then you use your fingers. Makes it a whole lot easier to pop off. And on this, I almost forgot, this right here, you just pop this up on the sides, and then this just pulls right out. That's sure.
Where's the other locations that I'm looking for?
Yeah, the other 2 are right here. So you're gonna need your extension to go in there. Yeah, there it is. Here it is, right here.
A magnet or something.
I should have brought my magnet over here. Hang on, it's right there. Yeah, you don't want it to fall down in there.
Yeah, sausage fingers.
Got it? Alright, we'll just put those down here on the running board together. That way we know where everything's at. So, next step's a little tricky. You want to start at the bottom and start prying on these. And you just grab the pry tool here. Slip it right in there. I'm gonna have to do this with 2 hands, so we'll be right back. Okay, so these are the tabs that you're trying to pop loose. They go all the way down. So as you can see, you just start in the corner, and then you slowly work your way around. Now, to get the handle off, there's a 10 millimeter right back there, and then after you pop that little seal out, you can stick a 10 millimeter through the hole like you're doing. On your new one, this is basically what broke on the inside. So you may have to, if that bolt didn't come off.
No, it did.
Oh, it did?
Yeah,
Good.
well, sort of. No. Oh, I see what you're saying now.
Yeah, you may have to hold that plastic piece on the other side while you
I will definitely have to
back
because
that.
it's
No.
just spinning freely.
Right.
Okay. So
And that's the problem with these trucks. But it also comes from just
okay, so what else do
people jerking on it real hard.
Here we go.
Got it?
I'm off. This right here, see this right here is just like it just spins. It's both
Right.
still in it.
So we'll need a pair of pliers, and I'll hold this side while you crank that side
Okay,
off.
hold on a second, let me get this out.
Oh, here, use this. Oh, I guess you don't need it now. Oh, here's your new handle. Oh, you got a pair of pliers already?
Perfect. Dude. Look who you're talking to.
Of course. One guy who has just as many tools as I do. Go for it.
Just a different kind usually.
Yeah. Yeah, looking good.
Yep, it's coming.
Keep going, keep going.
Nope.
Came off it.
Oh, no you didn't. My socket fell off.
Yeah, that's why I have 2 of those sticks.
Yep. Although, I'm not grabbing it.
You definitely have to.
Oh, there it went. It's in here.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so just gonna finish screwing that off and out it goes. Now if you hold it right
I'm
there,
just gonna hold it there so that way we can.
and I'll just pry this bad boy off. Get rid of that. New one on.
Hold on, let me get my other one there. Hold it in place. There we go.
Alright, so goes on this way and that way. Just like that. Pretty good?
Believe so. Oops, it actually just, it's kind of a tricky deal to shove in there. Oh, hold on. This was in the way of the
Of course.
bar.
Alright. And that just slips back in there like that. You know, we could have wiped off the back of the door too while we were here. But
Might as well. I mean,
yeah.
it's not gonna hurt anything now. I had to pull that bolt anyways.
Yeah, I mean, just while you have it off, it's good to just wipe all that dirt and stuff off the off your paint.
Yep.
That way it won't scratch it up.
I don't know if I have a white. I put him into basketball.
It's not a bad idea.
I'm not a basketball guy.
Oh, he already made it once. See how short that little guy is? He's making shots. Well, not right now, but let's see. Move it over there. We gotta take this out. Oh yeah. That's just, you know, to protect the paint. And when we go through all this work to take this apart. And what about get the bottom down here too? Down there.
That missed a spot.
Oh yeah.
Here?
Oh, right here.
Down there.
Yeah. Let's get all that. All right, cool. Drop this back in here, just like that. Now hold that in place if you want to get your bolt started.
No, I'm not. Hold on.
Yep.
I think I shot the wrong hole. Okay.
Yeah, I feel it. Oh, hang on.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah. Hold on. Don't just.
you're in the right hole. It's just,
Yeah. This. Hold on. Let me back
Yeah.
the other one out just a hair.
yeah,
Because I got it too tight. And
yeah. You always want to, get them both in there first.
rub it in.
Well, hey, there's thousands of people that's going to be watching this.
Right,
They'll want to know. So, when you're putting this on, you get one boat started, and then you go to the second boat and get that one started.
I can't tell
Then
if I'm
you
in
can-
there or not.
You're crooked. So
Still too tight?
Yeah, loosen that one up to where you can actually move it around.
It should have been loose enough. It's
Yeah, there we go. All right. So now, let me see what we got here. Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. Okay. So let's put my knee here. Let's push this down. Yep, we go straight in.
All right, hold on. That feels better. I'm not 100% sure if I'm catching it or not, but
You are now.
okay.
Okay. And don't tighten it down too tight because it is plastic.
Why in the heck would they do that?
Just tighten it until you feel it snug, and then just go like a quarter of a turn more, and that should do it. And then do the same on this side because it doesn't have to be wrenched down. I mean, at the most it'll be 30 pounds of pressure. All right, so we'll just go ahead and pull this off. Oh yeah, looks good, right? So now we just put the door back together, which is super easy.
He says
It's right here.
Oop,
You want
I'm upside down.
to pull that through.
Probably
Yeah, you
easier
want
if I
to
flip it
twist it
this way.
around.
Where does this go on?
That goes in this little hole right here, because this is actually your window switch.
Oh, it just
Yeah,
sticks
just
through the
squeeze
hole.
right. Yeah, just like that.
I didn't catch that as we were turning it apart.
So now you line up the bottom. See, you see these hooks down here? Yeah, put those in the hole. And make sure they're in there, and then you
And then start
slowly.
at the bottom.
Yep, slide them at the bottom. But don't beat them in yet, because you still have to do the other side.
Yep.
Okay, yep, you're good. Keep going.
Uh-oh. We failed to get this inside there before we did all that.
That's okay.
You say that, but I don't think I can get it. Oh, there we go.
You just lock the door
Oh, okay.
and don't smash my finger.
got it.
Because my finger's
I got
smashed.
this now.
Okay. Yeah.
Hold on. I bet I can pop that up.
Yeah. There you go. And then just make sure this is over the lip, which I believe it should be. It doesn't feel like it though. Yeah, just start down in the corner. Just work it in.
As far as I can tell, it is. I don't really have a way of knowing for sure. Oh,
Yeah.
you
It is. We're good.
just pop that thing
Did I
back
just
out
do
there
that?
again. Yep.
Thank you. There you go. So if that ever happens, just lock and unlock your door.
Let's see.
Shoot, I think we're good.
I think it's on there, yeah. Yep.
Okay.
And now I did it. Just prying on it a little bit.
Yeah, just so this
So
time,
this thing is not. It likes to stay right behind that.
yeah, just go ahead and unlock it again. Can you get around there? Okay.
Like that.
And the piece is right here. So this little tab is popped up. You just take this and you slide it down on there like that. Or before you get it all the way in, do that. Crap, they didn't even see that on the video.
Oh yeah.
But you put this on here, and you push that tab in, then you lock it.
There we
Now
go.
unlock it and make sure that it's good.
Oh, make sure it works.
Yeah. Boom. All right, right on. So now we're down to 3 bolts and the switch itself for the window, which you'll go ahead and put those back in. And those are self-explanatory. I mean, you guys don't need to see that. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Maybe a little bit of comedy in there. Probably. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can. I'll continue posting it as often as I can, when I can. And I hope this helps somebody out and save you a lot of money. The part itself, I got on Amazon.com. I'll see if I can find the link and put it in the link below. But other than that, thanks for watching and I'll see you.